guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today we're going to debunk another LinkedIn myth that makes absolutely no sense: to post job seeker content as a business who is trying to attract clients. Now, where's this coming from? You might have seen some of the big influencers on LinkedIn with millions of followers, and they usually share some sob story about human resources and like some unfairness at the workplace. And the story usually goes like this. It was Christmas Eve and my boss told me to fire the poor woman who was pregnant and who was struggling financially. And he said, we have to get rid of her, send her home, don't give her a last paycheck. And I refused. I said, no, this is not going to happen under my watch. I'm going to treat this woman fairly. I'm going to stand up to the boss. And I decided to give her actually a pay raise on Christmas Eve so she can buy some presents for her poor children. You have seen those stories. There's millions of variations. Oftentimes, actually, people just copy one story from another person, put them as their own content, as if they're working in HR, if they have been like in some leadership position. It's totally random bullshit. And the only thing why this is working is because it presses certain emotional keys. Would you want to get people who are emotionally reacting to a soap opera as your audience? Or do you want to get people in your audience who are actually qualified, who actually fit into a demographic that would make them an ideal buyer? People who work in a specific industry, people who are using a specific product, people who are facing a specific challenge. Now, you're not going to get that much engagement. You probably get a lot less engagement from those people who are ideal customers. But you shouldn't worry about engagement, because what LinkedIn actually counts when it considers who to show your content to is dwell time. That means how long does someone look at your post? They don't even have to like it, comment or share it. They can just look at it. And if they're reading your post really thoroughly, because they're really interested what you have to say, because you're talking about a specific challenge that they're facing and you're giving them a solution, you're providing value to them, you're giving them tips and ideas how they can grow their business, how they can achieve their goals, how they can overcome their challenges, they're going to read it or they're going to watch a video from start to finish, and that increases your dwell time. And the bigger your dwell time, the more content of yours they're going to see, the more opportunities you have to build trust with your audience, the more opportunities you create for them to actually remember you when something happens in their business and they need some help. And they're going to remember your name because they're constantly engaging with your content. So they're always seeing your name. And at that point, they're going to reach out to you. This is much more important than getting any form of engagement. You can't pay rent with likes. You can't buy a new machinery or hire or pay someone's salary with like the number of comments that you got in your post. This is all ego driven. Don't fall for this trap. Focus on business objectives and ignore the numbers. It really doesn't matter. And especially if you try to trick people with some emotional sob stories, just emotional manipulation, and you're getting the wrong audience, the people who would never buy from you in the first place. Now, if you want to learn how to build a real content strategy on LinkedIn, please check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, my complete A to Z lead generation system that teaches you how to become a thought leader in your niche by creating high valuable content on LinkedIn. You can also download my free LinkedIn hashtag guide, link in the description below if you want to get more videos like this. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, smash like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.